Meaning of idealist.
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 Idealist. The term idealist refers to a person who believes in the power of ideas and ideals to shape the world around us. An idealist is someone who holds a vision of a better future and believes in the ability of human beings to create positive change. They often see the world as it could be rather than how it currently is, and work to bring their vision to reality. Idealists may pursue careers in fields like education, social justice, or environmental activism, driven by a desire to make a meaningful impact on society and leave the world a better place for future generations.